Okay, y'all, look, I'm so sorry. I'm out here. I'm doing my meal prep right now. I'm doing time blocking today. Shout out to UV. I'm doing time blocking today. So my 15-minute break to myself is a fly in here. My 15-minute break to myself, I'm doing my meal prep. So I have some chicken tenderloins here. And I'm sorry for the lighting, but I love natural light. So I got some chicken tenderloins here from Costco. And I've already seasoned them with some fresh cracked black pepper and some Badia. You better get away from my shit. Badia complete seasoning. And garlic powder. And onion powder, a significant amount of these. And then I picked up from Dollar Tree this lemon pepper marinade. So I want to make some lemon pepper chicken tenderloins. But what I'm going to do is flip these over and let the lemon pepper go on top of the chicken. And I poke holes in my chicken when I season it like this, because I'm about to let it marinate for a bit. I poke holes and then I do the seasoning. So like on this side that I'm flipping over now, I poked it first and then I put the seasoning on it. I think of that as like, you know, opening the pores, right? So the flavor seeps through. Mentally, it hasn't failed me, you know. I feel like my flavor be bussin' in every bite. That's just me. I think I'm gonna join my boyfriend and be vegetarian at the top of the year. Just see. I got my own identity. But just see, you know. See what it does for me. Okay. Now that we all poked out, this is why my page is not for an environmentalist, okay? It's really not. It's really not. Okay. And then for lunch, I'm gonna work out. Boom. Look at that. Without spilling it on his floor. Oh, we good. Boom. It just, I don't know. Let me come in. It's very lemony. And that's what I thought of it. That's what I thought that it would be. I thought that it would be very lemony. I don't even think that I need all of this. Because, okay, yeah, no. I'm not gonna drown it in it. Because chicken also creates like a liquid, right? Like you notice that when you bake it, it creates a liquid. So I don't need this to be too watery. I'm gonna have mashed potatoes a couple of days with this and like some canned vegetable. And I hope that wasn't raw chicken juice that I just licked. Thinking it was that lemon pepper. And it don't taste like the lemon pepper at all. At all. Okay. How do y'all do y'all's foil? Do you put it shiny side up or shiny side down? Does it matter when you do it? Like, right now, I have the shiny side down on the chicken. But putting it on the wrong one. But I also have the chicken sitting in it, turning side up. So like, it just depends. It depends on what's happening. And just like that, it is 10 o'clock on the dot. So, perfect. I did great. 15 minutes well spent. I'm going to let that sit in the fridge until like maybe 12. So for a couple of hours, and then pull it out, pop it in the oven on 350. 350 is the black folks magic number. At least in my household it is. I 350 it up. So I'm gonna do that and do it for 30 minutes initially, and then check on it, turn them over, do it for like another maybe 10 minutes uncovered at that point. And while they are cooking, do my mashed potatoes and find a vegetable. And I got my food. This was crooked this whole time. You slanted. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. I'll keep you posted with what else I make, how this week unravels, how this day unravels. It's Monday. Work from home Mondays. I'm twerking, but I don't got no booty, so you can't see. This is what I'm back there doing. I'm stupid. Okay, bye. Okay, y'all, so I added some more. I added some stuffing mix. I still got stuffing mix. I'm about to get my money's worth out of that big old container. So I just put the stuffing mix on the chicken now. I got the onion set. It's preheating to 350. So I'm gonna put this in for me. And I'm about to shape up this meatloaf and do this meatloaf for my boyfriend. And like ride us into the night so that we could have dinner before I hit the road. I'm listening to my girl Candace right now, but it's been 30 minutes, so I'm gonna flip this over. Oh, okay. Look at chicken up here trying to make me out to be alive. I know that these mofos create their own juices. It's just being a little bitch with me right now. That's alright. Because what I can do, is just pour some more marinade. So, hold on. Let me get this out. Ugh. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I got it all turned over now. Let's shake up the marinade. Hold on. Okay, have to take the top off. Now, let's pour it on there. Okay. Yeah. My words bite me in my ass. I'm telling you, normally, chicken be creating juices. Maybe it's just chicken breasts, tenderloins. Maybe that's what. Okay, y'all, so I'm so sorry. I am editing and I realized, well, up on editing, I saw that I did not end this video. It was so abrupt. I did not check back in with you. I did not show you my meal package, so I will insert a picture. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday I had the meal prep for dinner. I didn't have it for lunch. And today I had it for lunch and I had it with a salad. And so Monday, which was when I cooked everything, I had it for dinner. And so I'll have the last tray on tomorrow for lunch. Again, I'm so sorry that I did not let y'all know, that I did not end the video out properly after I turned everything over. I let it cook for like maybe another 20 minutes or so. I promise you that the chicken was good and done by then. And yeah, let's just pray that y'all get 25 videos out of me. Okay, that is day 1 Vlogmas. Check it off the motherfucking list, bitch, because it's done. I will see your beautiful ass tomorrow. Peace.